In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Hostinger. Whether you're looking to switch to a different provider or you simply no longer need their services, it's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your subscription doesn't renew automatically, keeping your budget and hosting needs in check. Let's start by heading over to the Hostinger website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the billing section. This is the control hub for all your financial interactions with Hostinger, where you manage your payments, subscriptions, and billing details. Think of it as your gateway to managing all of your subscriptions effectively. Within this billing area, the next section you need to focus on is the subscription section. It details all the services you've subscribed to, along with relevant information about each. As you search through, make sure to find the exact service you want to unsubscribe from. If you have multiple services with Hostinger, it's crucial to select the right one to ensure you don't accidentally disable a necessary service. After selecting your subscription, you'll notice an arrow button nearby. This button is your navigational tool for diving deeper into the specifics of your chosen subscription. By clicking on it, you unveil further options that manage this particular service. It might seem like a small detail, but this step is crucial for moving beyond the surface-level information and accessing the deeper management functions you need. Once you're inside the subscription management area, it's time to focus on disabling auto-renewal. Auto-renewal is a convenient feature for those who like to keep their services ongoing without having to remember to renew manually. However, in this case, we want to disable it. You'll see an option clearly marked as Disable Auto-Renewal. Clicking this will ensure that your subscription won't automatically renew at the end of its current period. It's as simple as that. You've effectively stopped your Hostinger subscription from renewing automatically, giving you the freedom to reassess your hosting needs without unexpected charges. Always make sure to review any confirmation messages that the platform might display, ensuring that your changes have been successfully applied. By understanding and executing these steps, you've taken control of your Hostinger services, making sure they align perfectly with your needs and budget. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues while following this process, remember that Hostinger's customer support is readily available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for more informational content that aims to simplify your digital life.